Hey everyone, welcome to Cloud Astronauts. I'm Scott Phillips, I'm your host on this channel. This channel, we think, is kind of a fun way for beginners to learn about cloud and AI. We describe the services we offer, the approach we take, and how we show people how to get hands-on the cloud and doing artificial intelligence and machine learning through simple, curated, easy-to-use guides. We try and set you up to have digital adventures. You don't have to be an engineer or a coder. You can start with no technical skills at all. So we think we've got something kind of cool going here, and we want to invite you to come join. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit more about what we have to offer and why it's a cool way to learn. At Cloud Astronauts, we try to help you use free credits on the cloud for new users. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, has a year of free tier. That means a new user account gets access to tons of free services for that first year. Microsoft Azure does something similar. They give you a $200 credit for the first 30 days, and then there's a free tier for a year after that as well. Google does the same. They have a $300 credit for 90 days. What all of this means is it's possible to get on the cloud and spend almost nothing learning about how to use the cloud. We try to help you do just that. Our site is cloudastronauts.com. It offers curated guides for exploring the cloud, and we use space as a theme because we're kind of geeky about space exploration. Each exercise is a mission where you try to solve a problem while on a journey to Mars or while serving a tour at Mars Colony. Each mission gives you a simple task to complete using real services on the cloud, and in the process, you start to learn how the cloud actually works. It's kind of a fun, geeky way to explore and learn about the cloud and about AI. Our guides show you how to work with the cloud. They're curated and tested. We're a business, so our guides aren't free, but we think they offer great value, and we always try to use the free services on each cloud. Every guide on Cloud Astronauts comes with detailed step-by-step instructions to take you through each step of a mission. We show you what it looks like as you go through each step. We explain it, and then we show you a picture, and we give you some words as well. If you can follow instructions, then you can follow these guides. They're pretty good. We've done our best to make each of these guides as current as possible. We work to keep them updated even though the cloud is changing constantly. Today we cover AWS and Azure, but we have Google Cloud coming soon. We're early days and we have more in the works. We want to help you understand cloud and AI through these hands-on exercises. We want to be your cloud and AI hobby store. All right, that was the quick tour of Cloud Astronauts. Thank you for joining us. I hope what you've just learned is that we're a little bit of a unique channel for YouTube. We're the hands-on learning for beginners channel. There's lots of channels that go deep on code or go heavy on slideware. We're the channel that's going to show you how it actually works and give you guides and resources to go try it yourself, especially using free credits on each cloud. I mean, what could be better than learning for almost nothing? And that's what we're trying to do. In the process, teach you about a new sort of innovative wave in technology that is transforming our world as we know it. So that's us. That's Cloud Astronauts. That's our mission. And we hope you'll subscribe to the channel, come back and join us, or check out our site at cloudastronauts.com. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you soon. See you next time.